Did you really just fall in the big mud puddle?
Yeah, I'm staying in my wet clothes.
No, you're not staying in your wet clothes. Right now. Daddy's gonna have a fit when he sees you. You fell down. It was an accident. That's not accident.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Good morning, y'all. It's a beautiful day. It's cold this morning. We are at the farm feeding all the animals, and we're going to go to the kitchen in just a little bit, and we're going to make sausage balls. We had some bad weather a few days ago, and a lot of you have asked how everybody was. Did everybody fare okay through the extreme drop in temperatures? And so far, so good. Everybody seems to have done pretty well. We didn't lose any of our broiler chickens. The ducks are loud as ever, and everybody's doing okay. So come on, let's go feed everybody. Good morning, girls. Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry. So a lot of you have been asking about the names for the pigs. I'm really liking Gertrude and Ellie. I don't know what Nick thinks about those, but that's what I really want to do. Okay, so I think we have, that's going to be Henry. Henry's got the thick white band. I think I want this one to be Gertrude. We got Babe, of course. There's Penny. And then Penelope is the brown one. And I think I want that to be Ellie. Ellie does not have a complete stripe across her back. That's kind of where I'm at. What do you guys think? Hey, sweet girl. You want to come get some food? You ready to eat? You ready to come eat? Come on, let's eat. Hey, Oliver. Hey, Oliver. Hey, Oliver. Hey, Johnny. Gypsy, you back there, girl? Are you back there? Are you back there? Yeah, are y'all back there? Alright, taking it to the donkeys. Ready? Everybody gets treats. Oh, hey, Johnny. Hey, sweet boy. Hey, Johnny. Hey, baby. Uh-oh. Oh, goodness. You too, huh? Hey, girl. Oliver. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Have a good day, Gypsy. We'll see you in a little while. Have a good day, Gypsy. Hey, girls. Hey girls. Where are you going? You gonna come visit? Okay, I'm gonna come sit with y'all in a little while when we get done. See you in a little bit. Alright you guys, we are headed home and I'm gonna wash my hands, get cleaned up, and we are headed to the kitchen to make some yummy sausage balls. Let's go. Hey y'all, this morning I thought we would make some sausage balls. I know a lot of you are used to seeing sausage balls made with Bisquick, but I came across this several years ago and we haven't looked back. These taste so good. My family loves them, my husband loves them, the people at his work love them. So we're gonna make these. These are fun to do. You're going to bake them at 350 and I think it's about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll let you know for sure once I'm done. It's been a long time since I've looked at a recipe. I just always eyeball it. You're going to use a box of Red Lobster, the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, 1 box, 1 pound of sausage. You can do spicy, you can do mild, you can do a half and a half. We always do mild, we don't do a lot of spice here. You do 1 block of cream cheese, but as everybody knows, there's a cream cheese shortage right now. So I thought, well, we'll just try the chive cream cheese spread. That might add some little more flavor. This is whipped. You want it to be soft. And then you're gonna use a 8-ounce block of cheese and you're gonna grate it. You can use sharp cheese, you can use mild cheese. I have a 16-ounce block because I'm gonna do 2 batches. So I'm gonna cut this block in half and grate it, and we'll have that ready for when we put everything in the mixer. So I'm gonna go grate the cheese and I'll be back in just a second. We are gonna put in our pound of pork, sausage. I apologize in advance if you can hear it in the background. The kids are home for their last day of Christmas break. I'm gonna add in my bag of Red Lobster biscuit mix. In that box, you will also have a seasoning packet. We're gonna go ahead and add that in. And I'm gonna add in 8 ounces. This is whipped cream cheese, just because I thought that it would probably soften better. And then we're gonna add in 8 ounces of fresh grated cheese. I know it takes a little more time, but fresh grated is always better because it doesn't have that protectant on it to keep it from binding. It's going to allow all the cheese to melt and come together like it should. I'm just going to turn it on. We're going to let all that goodness come together. You can always scrape it down. You can do this by hand too. Don't think you have to have a KitchenAid mixer or anything like that. I just use it because it's handy. But you can most definitely do this by hand. If you're trying to do something to spend some time with the grandkids, it's a fun way to incorporate hands. Alright, that looks pretty good. So that looks good. Everything looks blended. We're going to take it to the table and we are going to roll some sausage balls and get them ready for the oven. Okay, here we go. We're just going to take our hands and we are going to make about 1-inch balls. And I usually do 3 deep, about 5 wide. I did spray the sheet pan with nonstick because these do put off a lot of grease, so you want to have sided sheet pan. So you can see that batch makes a pretty good bit. I actually still have a little bit of dough left that I will bake in just a little while, but we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll just keep an eye on them, and then I will show you guys what they look like when they come out. Okay, you guys, here is our finished product. That's at 350 for 25 minutes. That's what I ultimately did, was 25 minutes. So this was our first batch that we made. I'd say you get 40 sausage balls at this size. I still have a little bit of dough left that I'm gonna put in a baggie and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and I will do that later. So one batch of dough makes about 40 sausage balls. I like to go ahead and loosen them while they're still hot because they will stick. I usually leave these in a airtight container on the counter, and they will last several days. But I always put a paper towel under them because it is sausage that you're working with, so it's going to produce some grease. Okay, so here's our finished product. This is most of 2 doughs of sausage balls. They're very mild, they're very soft, they're really good, they're really fast to make. The most time you really have is putting them in the oven. I do recommend doing everything with room temperature or softened sausage and cream cheese. Always create your block of cheese because it's going to bind better. But here they are. Thanks guys for coming and cooking sausage balls with me, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks.
Sausage balls for salsa. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss the like button. Bye bye.